So today we'll see about the transfer order and the sourcing purchase request. Okay.
நேத்து வந்துட்டு நீங்க வேற பார்க்கலாம்னு சொன்னீங்க அப்துல்லா.
ஆமா
பல்கா
ஆமா அது
எப்படி
இன்னும் நான்
பண்றது?
பார்க்கல. டைம் கிடைக்கல.
ஓகே ஓகே
டுமாரோ இல்லை டே ஆஃப்டர் டுமாரோ அது நடத்தும்.
ஓகே.
So we'll move on to the session. So for creating transfer order, I have told you right. We needed this prerequisite. So this is for sub-entry level. And create item and creating sub-inventory and scheduled process in Minimax report. Okay, we'll see. So first thing is we need to create one item. Okay, we have already created one item. So we'll go with the manage sub-inventory. Okay.
ஓகே
So this is our sub-inventory and manage sub-inventory. Okay. So here we have already defined for sourcing as a sub-inventory. So I'm just changing to organization. Okay.
ஓகே
So changing organization, from which organization I need a material. Okay.
ஓகே
So in 6002 we don't have item, right?
எஸ்
We have only added for 6001. So what I'm going to define here, I just want the material from 6001. Okay.
ஓகே.
So which organization I should mention here?
சாரி.
So I need a material from so we have not added in the 6002. Okay.
ஓகே
So item is required from the 6002. So we have item
ஓகே.
1000 quantity in
600.
6001. So in that
ஓகே.
sourcing, which one I should give?
6001.
Okay, because we are getting the material from this organization. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So in Chennai are sourcing supplementary. If you are giving the source supplementary, then it will take from the source. Okay. If you are not giving,
Okay.
whichever is having more item, so that will take from there. Okay. You got it right.
Yes.
So
Yes.
which supplementary having more quantity, so it will take from that supplementary.
Okay.
Got it.
Good.
So I'm just giving here minimum is 10, maximum 20. Okay. So we don't have any item in the 6002. Okay. Then the reorder will be 20. Okay. If
Okay.
if three quantity is there, then how many reorder created?
17.
70. So you got this thing right. So minimum and
Yes.
maximum. Okay. Yeah. So actually here we should not do the why here we should not do because the organization.
Okay.
Just a minute.
Yes.
Okay. So we are uh, I think this in this inventory we are not getting the we should not do the setups configuration because where the organization required there only we should define it. Okay.
Okay.
So we need to change the 6002 and here manage item sub inventory. So nothing is there. Okay. We need to create it. Be min max minimax planning 10 20. Okay. Your organization which are 6001. You got it right?
Yes. Yes. Which is receiving sub inventory that we need to
Yes.
fill that.
There only we need to configure. because there only we can give sourcing. So sourcing where we have to define. Okay.
Okay.
So which organization required material, that organization you have to change that, and there only you should do the sub inventory. Okay.
Okay.
So what I have done in 6002 Bangalore organization, in that Bangalore organization, I need a material from the stores. Okay. So it will directly send to the inventory organization. There they will receive from this sub inventory. So like that I'm defining.
Okay.
You got it right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So now I need to make sure inter-org transfer from 001 6002. So we already defined for the transfer order, right? So from organization direct. So we will change it to the in transit mode. Okay. We will receive it here. Standard. Close. That's it. So another thing is we need to make sure what is that item.
We have to give the shipping parameter and the receiving parameter for transfer order.
That one we have already defined, right?
Okay.
So previous thing, it's directly sent to the organization without doing anything. Okay,
Okay.
because we have mentioned indirect in the interact parameter. Now we have changed it to in transit and the standard. Okay,
Okay.
just make sure transaction enable, inventory item is enable, transfer order enable. Okay, internally transfer yes. Okay.
Okay. Yesterday I worked on this pillar, but I got the error in transit time and assign that method to shipping method by road truck. That I think I got error.
Okay. Yeah, I think you forgot to assign the organization.
By the end of the section, I will share my screen. And,
Okay, I think you have missed this. Have you done the manage career and add your organization?
this is,
You're creating one organization, right?
yes,
So here, manage career. In which career you have given?
I think it's something by truck road only. Cara or something.
Means starting letter.
C. CR.
CR England, this one, huh?
Yes.
So here what you should do, see, here Truckload Standard Organization Association will be there. Okay. Here
Okay.
what you should do, add your inventory arc. So what's your inventory arc?
MF.
This one, right?
Yes.
Then
Uh, LH.
that's it.
Okay.
Then you run it. It will work.
Okay. Okay.
Um, we have done all the things, right? So another thing we need to make sure on hand quantity. Okay.
Okay.
It's newly created item. We don't have on hand. I'm sure about that. So let me check once. I'm going a little bit fast. Okay, it's a huge topic. So you already know that. That's why. Mm, so in 6002, we don't have any item. Okay.
Okay.
We'll search in the carrier. What is the setup? Yeah, transit time. Yeah. So setup level, we have done everything, right? So now we can go with the transaction. Schedule new process as usual. Print min max report. Organization 002. Inventory item hobby minimax. So planning level, okay,
Okay.
organization. That's it. If you the item and here inventory item, organization. Here planning level should be org level. Okay. And
Okay.
restock should be yes. That's it. Why it's not showing? Yeah, just a minute.
Okay.
Mm, so we have not done one setup. Which setups, that
Sorry?
we have forgot one setup actually. So we need to trigger the planning engine for getting the item.
Okay.
Collect planning data, OPS, net changer, year item, organization. Okay, it will take some 5 minutes. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll see after it complete the schedule process. We will start the organization level. Now we are going to see supplier level. Okay,
Okay.
max report. So it's as usual. We need to create one item. Okay,
Okay.
and we have to create one sub inventory, and in that sub inventory we need to give item. I needed organization from manage item sub inventory. So here I'm giving a B minimum max. Minimum is 10, maximum 20. Supplier. Okay.
Okay.
So in here in sourcing I have given supplier. So in supplier what will trigger? It will trigger the purchase requisition. Okay. Automatically we need to create a purchase order. Okay.
Okay.
For creating purchase requisition, okay, we have to make sure some of the setups is there or not. Okay. Already I told you right in P2P configure requisition business unit. So here procurement, under procurement, purchasing foundation. Sorry, not purchasing foundation, procurement foundation. Okay. Here configure requisition business unit function. This one, select the business unit. What business unit we have? US one, right? So here default deliver to location Seattle is there. Okay. What I am going to
Okay.
do, I'm just changing to our organization, Bangalore. Okay. Here I want to create the requisition. Got it?
Yes, got it.
No need to do anything over here. Okay. Just change the business unit. Here you have to make sure your business unit is there or not. Okay.
Okay.
Ship to location is Seattle. No, it's a Bangalore. Okay. Mm, it's not Seattle. Seattle.
Better inventory organization search பண்ணி பாருங்க.
Okay. இல்லையே 6002 inventory யாருக்கு தான் define பண்ணோம். I mean Bangalore தான் define பண்ணோம்.
லொகேஷன் அதுல டிஃபைன் பண்ணிருப்பாங்க.
Mm, manage inventory org. See Bangalore only. US business unit. It's not a problem. Receiving parameter. ஓ, என்னன்னே தெரியலையா?